Okay, what I shall do now is climb out of the McLaren F1 and get into the Bugatti Veyron. Not a bad day, this one, so far. Right, to business.
Because for the first time ever, these titans will now go head-to-head in a 1-mile drag race. I shall be in the Veyron. And in the McLaren, a man who has no idea that he's about to make history.
He's quite excited though. He saw his first camel today.
Actually, I'm quite glad it's him in that car, because today that McLaren is worth 2 million quid. If we do come together though, he does know the drill. Run and meet at the border. Nearly ready. On paper, the Bugatti's got it. I've got 1,000 horsepower, 370 more than the McLaren, but the McLaren weighs less, so it's got more power to weight. 0 to 60, the Bugatti should have them. I don't know, this is the real world. We'll have to see what happens.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes, this is it. Forward into history. What? How is that happening? How is that happening? The old pretender is still there. It won't give up its crown. You're now doing 240 kilometers an hour. Come on, Bugatti. I'm going to give a reeling in. 1,000 horsepower. There's no way past that. I'm going to take it. Yes. 300 kilometers an hour. 320 kilometers an hour. Yes! 320, and I have clearly taken it. The Bugatti takes the prize.